Hello everyone, and welcome to today's Autodesk Fusion tutorial. In this video, we're going to model a rigid shaft coupler, a common mechanical part used to connect two rotating shafts together. This video is designed to be simple and easy to follow. We'll focus on creating the coupler body using basic tools such as sketch, extrude, cut, hole, and fillet. We'll begin by creating a sketch on the XZ plane. Draw a circle that represents the outer diameter of the coupler. Once the sketch is complete, use the Extrude command to create the solid body with the desired thickness. Next, we'll create the shaft holes on both ends of the coupler. Activate the hole command. Select the front face of the body to define the sketch plane for the hole. Set the hole type to counterbore, and then adjust the dimensions to match the required shaft size. Creating a section analysis will help you work more easily with complex parts. In this step, we will fillet the desired edges. In this step, we will cut a portion of the part using the Extrude Cut command. Start by creating a sketch on the front face and draw a rectangular profile in the area where you want the cut to be made. Once the sketch is complete, use the Extrude Cut command and set it to cut through the entire part. After confirming the command, the part will be cut according to the sketch you created. Repeat the process for the second cut. Create a new sketch, and use the Extrude Cut command. Setting the condition to through all to make the cut in the second location. Create a tangent plane for the next step. Sketch on that plane to position the counterbores that will be created. Position the counterbores according to the sketched locations. Finally, select cylindrical surfaces that require threads. Then, use the thread command to define the required standard, size, and depth. After confirming the command, the part will be complete with the specified threads. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we'll model the M3X10 screw and assemble it together with the coupler to complete the design. If you enjoyed this tutorial, feel free to like and subscribe so you won't miss episode 2. See you in the next video.